The worldwide success of Tesla's automobiles is evidence of the company's proficiency in developing its own high-end motors. Elon Musk, on the other hand, has not been resting on his laurels, as he's been encouraging Tesla to improve its electric motors. On May 22, 2022, Elon Musk introduced Tesla's new Insane engine, which appears to be flawless, performs better than the company's previous engines, and the latest result defies the laws of physics. In fact, Elon Musk's new Insane motor shocks the entire industry. Let's take a look at Tesla's new Hyper Scalable Design Motor and how it operates. Elon Musk has unveiled the new electric motor that will power Tesla's next-generation Roadster. It has a carbon-wrapped motor with higher RPM variants. To complement the upgraded engine that Tesla announced in October of 2021, the company developed its own proprietary Plaid motor. Using the new Plaid electric motor, the company claims that powertrain complexity can be greatly reduced while efficiency and performance are improved. According to Elon Musk, the new motor is so good that Tesla could simply replace its current lineup with vehicles equipped with state-of-the-art electric motors and not make any other adjustments. Musk used the phrase "literally indestructible" to describe the new motor at a press conference last year. Since Elon Musk wanted to break a world record with it, this shows how powerful this motor really is and how unique it is from anything else on the market. As Musk recently tweeted, the new motor design is not based on traditional automotive concepts, but rather the technology that drives a Dyson vacuum cleaner. According to Musk, the new motor will replace Tesla's current aluminum-based electric motors while being lighter, smaller, and cheaper. Musk wants to make the Plaid motor a hyper-scalable design that can be used in any vehicle. According to Musk, the Plaid motor will power a number of Tesla vehicles, including the next-generation Model E car. Although Tesla hasn't announced any specific date for its release, it's predicted that this new technology will be available soon. When it comes to motor technology, Tesla is constantly introducing innovative, new developments, and the company's newest product will take those advancements to an entirely new level. In this case, we can always count on Tesla to provide high-quality automobiles and components because they're one of the most trustworthy companies in the world. When put on a standard model, these new motors can produce more power while reducing the overall weight of the vehicle more than any other motor. Despite the fact that Musk did not explain how it operated, he did claim that it was manufactured by robots that were able to assemble 2 million components in 1 hour. In addition, he asserted that the design of the carbon fiber weave was motivated by the hairball that was produced by his cat, and that it would completely transform the automotive industry. Regarding the pricing, Tesla has not yet provided official pricing information for the new motor, but the company's founder, Elon Musk, stated that it will be significantly more affordable than previous Tesla motors. In addition to this, he stated that any customer that purchases a Tesla after July 1st will be entitled to a free motor upgrade to replace the one that came with their vehicle. Despite the fact that we have been discussing the upcoming Tesla Model 3 for some time now, there is a problem with the vehicle's powertrain that has prevented it from being released from the factory. Elon Musk brought it up during the show, demonstrating that this new motor is only feasible because of the new machine that Tesla created to make it near the end of the year. It is likely that during his presentation, Tesla disclosed that he had developed a brand new manufacturing machine to produce these motors. He mentioned that the process in and of itself is very complicated, as well as the fact that we had this machine custom built for us. In addition to this, he mentioned that in the future he plans to make additional information about these machines available to other businesses that are interested in manufacturing electric motors. He's confident that the implementation of these machines will make the production of electric motors for other companies both simpler and more cost-effective. The first two important components that we would like to pay attention to are the rotor and the stator. The rotor is composed of nothing more than a collection of conducting bars that have been intentionally short-circuited and are held together by end rings. A supply of three-phase alternating current is installed in the stator. A magnetic field is produced by the combination of the three-phase AC current and the coils. The motors created by Tesla produce a magnetic field with 4 poles. The rotor bars are transformed into an induction motor as a result of a current that is induced by the rotating magnetic field. The RMF speed, also known as the rotor speed, will almost always be slower than the stator speed. Despite the absence of brushes and a permanent magnet, an induction motor is still capable of producing a significant amount of power. The rotational speed of induction motors is determined by the frequency of the AC power source, which is a unique property of these motors. This indicates that the frequency of the power supply could be changed in order to change the speed at which the wheel rotates. The speed control on Tesla is incredibly user-friendly and dependable. In terms of revolutions per minute, or RPM, Tesla motors are able to spin at speeds ranging from 0 all the way up to 1800 RPM. The battery pack is what provides the power for the induction motor. Because the source produces DC power, the energy must first be transferred into AC power before it can be delivered to the motor. This is where the inverter comes to play. Through the process of inversion, direct current is changed into alternating current, and the frequency of the AC power is altered. This enables the amplitude of the AC motor to be varied in order to control the speed of the motor. The inverter can even change the power that the motor produces. In addition to that, it serves as the electric vehicle's processing center. The battery packs consist of enormous collections of standard lithium-ion battery cells that are comparable to those that are seen in everyday life. This fact surprises the majority of people. To generate the necessary amount of electricity for the electric vehicle, each of these cells is connected to another one in series and in parallel. One of the inventions that sets Tesla apart from other manufacturers of electric cars is the use of metallic inner tubes to circulate glycol coolant between the cells. Other manufacturers of electric cars do not use this innovation. When it comes to providing critical cooling, multiple smaller cells are used rather than select few larger ones. Because of this, thermal hotspots are eliminated, which leads to a more even temperature distribution across the cells in the battery pack and a longer overall life for the battery pack. These cells are arranged in detachable modules, with a total of approximately 7,000 cells distributed across 16 modules. At this point, the Tesla Model S Plaid is the best demonstration of Tesla's engineering expertise, at least up until the Roadster is released. Tesla's always been fast, and the company is pushing the limits of what it can achieve in terms of industry improvements that would be game-changing. All of the moving parts of the engine in the Plaid are freshly manufactured. All of the rotors are connected by a cover made of carbon fiber, which enables rotational speeds of up to 20,000 RPM. This is a significant improvement over the previous maximum, which was 15,000 RPM. According to Tesla, the copper wire in the motor needs to be coiled at an extremely high tension in order to produce an effective electromagnetic field. This is because carbon and copper have different coefficients of thermal expansion. In addition, the Plaid solves a problem that plagues electric vehicles, particularly those equipped with direct drive gearboxes like Tesla's, which see a significant drop in power as the vehicle's speed increases. According to Tesla, the Plaid is capable of maintaining 1,000 of its 1,020 horsepower all the way up to its maximum speed of 200 miles per hour. In spite of having a higher power output, the Plaid weighed 175 pounds less than the performance variant of the Model S, which has a price tag of 4,828 pounds. The Model S can complete the quarter mile in 9.25 seconds at a speed of 152.6 miles per hour. It only takes 1.98 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a sprint. Because the motor moves at such a breakneck speed, it's next to impossible to follow what's taking place. Well guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and see you in our next video.